What if you could make $100 a day just by using free AI tools? Sounds wild, right? In this video, I'll show you exactly how people are doing it step by step and how you can too. No fluff, no hype, just practical methods that work. Whether you want extra cash or a full-blown side hustle, AI tools can give you a major edge. I'll walk you through 3 proven methods real people are using, plus how to get started with no upfront cost. First up, freelancing with AI. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are flooded with gigs for content writing, logo design, and video editing. But here's the trick. Use AI tools to speed up delivery. For example, use ChatGPT for blog posts or product descriptions. Tools like Canva with AI or Luca can design logos fast. You can even automate voiceovers using ElevenLabs or video editing using Voiceless AI. If you complete just 2 to 3 small tasks a day, each worth $30 to $50, you're easily crossing the $100 day mark. Next, content creation with passive income. Start a YouTube Shorts channel or a TikTok page using AI-generated scripts and voices. You can create explainer videos using tools like Voiceless, add stock clips, and publish daily. Monetize through affiliate links, sponsorships, or AdSense once you grow. Some creators make 100+ daily with just 1-2 viral videos per week. The third method, sell digital products created with AI. Use ChatGPT to create ebooks, Midjourney, or DALL-E for printable art, or Visme for templates. List them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Many sellers earn over $3,000 a month selling simple Notion templates or planners. Once it's up, it becomes passive income. Pick one method, stay consistent, and scale. You could spend 1-2 hours daily. Morning, create or deliver a product. Afternoon, post content or reach clients. Evening, refine what works. Track your progress weekly. Most people hit the $100 day mark in 30 to 60 days with persistence. Here's your quick tool list. ChatGPT for content, copywriting, and idea generation. Canva for AI design. Voiceless for video creation. ElevenLabs for voiceovers. DALL-E for AI art. And for monetization platforms, use Etsy, Gumroad, and YouTube. Start small, stay focused, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on any of these.